Who doesn't want to travel the world and make money using their laptop while sitting on the beach? No boss, nobody breathing down your neck, no more deadlines. Stock market trading sounds amazing, doesn't it? It smells of freedom and a touch of independence. It's not all roses though. Statistically, 97% of stock market traders never make money. Only 3% make any sort of consistent profit. Most say that trading the stock market is like gambling, and even a monkey could pick better stocks than you can. Yeah, that happened. Bob Marley once said, steal a man's wallet and he'll be poor for a week. Teach him how to day trade and he'll be poor his entire life. But what about all those stock market gurus talking about stock trading from their Ferraris?
This is Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. I am here with my brand new Ferrari.
And talking about living in a
Budos mansion. This could be you if you work hard.
To be honest, that does sound a little sketchy. Not gonna lie, but on a serious note, I've always been fascinated by the stock market. I'm primarily a long-term investor. I just put my money in and just forget about it. But I did try trading a couple of years back and I completely burnt my entire account. I lost all the money I started off with, but maybe it was because I was just a kid who didn't know any better. Not like I'm saying I know any better now, but I want to give it another shot and see what happens. If I figure out a method or a system, this could be an additional source of revenue for me, or it could potentially kill all my existing sources of revenue. Well, we'll have to wait and find out. Hi, my name is Tushar Mathur. I'm a musician with a keen interest in learning the fastest way I can lose all my money. I'm kidding. Today is a Friday and I'm going to be spending the next 2 days studying everything I can about the stock market and trading and come up with a strategy so I can execute my first trade on Monday morning. So let's get into it. Today is day 1, which is Saturday, and it is currently 1:07 p.m. I know people spend years studying the market, studying those charts, those patterns and all that, but we don't have that much time. We only have 44 hours. The goal is to get enough knowledge to start trading when the market opens on Monday. So let's get cracking. And I was a little confused. I didn't know where to start. So I figured I'd ask my Google Assistant and maybe we can take it from there. Okay, Google, how do I start day trading?
Stop wasting money, you piece of shit.
Google wasn't very helpful, so we're gonna go on YouTube and hopefully learn a couple of new things. I've been working on this the whole day and it is 6:06 p.m. on Saturday, day 1. But I have figured out a couple of things. The reason most traders fail, from my limited knowledge, is because they suddenly get emotional about their trades and just start freestyling and just start doing what they want out of the book. So that's something which I don't want to do. I want to focus on the strategy which I am going for. So I figured out a couple of strategies, but I think I'll be picking one of these. I'm still not sure. I'll have to do a little more research. Okay, so it is 9:48 p.m. on day 1. I think I'm going to be spending the entire night just doing a lot of research. So I will see you on day 2. What's up? It is day 2 and 12:08 p.m. on Sunday. I was up all night testing this one strategy I picked out. The strategy I finalized on is called the 44 moving average. Here's how it works. Before the market opens, you go through stocks from the Nifty 50 or the Nifty 200 and you pick up stocks that are touching the 44 moving average line. 44 moving average is basically the average price of the stock over the last 44 days. So if the stock is touching the 44 moving average line, you add it to your watch list. Now there are softwares to do this for you. I found one called Key Stocks, and this just automatically analyzes all the stocks in the Nifty 200, so your work just gets a lot more easier. Once you have a bunch of stocks set aside, on trading day you look for a nice big green candle in the first 15 or 30 minutes when the market opens. And if you see that nice big green candle, it's a good sign that the stock will continue to move upwards. So you buy then and book a profit when it goes up. It's about 11:15, 11:20 p.m. right now on Sunday. There's about 10 hours for the market to open. Usually all these technical analysis strategies are super complicated, but this one is just ridiculously simple, super straightforward, which is why I'm questioning it even more. See you guys tomorrow morning, Monday, when the market opens. What's up? Today is the day. It is 8:11 a.m. Pretty excited, not gonna lie. And one of the main reasons why I think I didn't do this trading thing a little earlier is because I absolutely hate waking up early. Yeah, the birds chirping, there's too much sunlight now. I'm not a big fan. Also, I added 10,000 rupees in my Zerodha account last night. So I'm going to be trading using that 10,000 rupees. Also, if you've been watching this far, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This helps the YouTube algorithm push this video out to other people who might be interested in the same topic. Yeah, I'll see you at 9 a.m. Okay, it is 9:01 p.m. a.m. I was looking around and I finally found a company with a nice big green candle. So I ended up buying a few shares, and after about 15 minutes the stock went and hit my target price and I walked away with a nice 169 rupees profit. I kept looking around for more trades because I wanted to do a few more, but there was nothing which fit the strategy I was going for. Okay, cool. I think I'm gonna call it a day because I do have other things to do today. But yeah, we got a decent profit down about 169, 170 rupees, which is about 1.7%. I did not use my entire 10,000. If I used my entire 10,000, I would have made about 500 rupees, which is about 5% off my 10 grand. And that's amazing. I think I'm on to something. I don't know, or I might have just gotten lucky. We'll have to give it some more time to figure this out. But I'm glad to be ending on a high. Out of the 25, 26 stocks I picked, only maybe 2 or 3 were green, and luckily I booked a profit on one of them. So I'm gonna catch you on day 2 and let's see how we do there. Tuesday was looking good. There were a lot of opportunities, but sadly we started off with a bad trade and it ended up hitting our stop loss, so we had to exit with a loss. But then I found 2 more good opportunities and I bought in, but it just kept moving sideways. It didn't hit my target or my stop loss. Since we'd already put down our target and stop loss, it didn't make a lot of sense to me to constantly look at the charts. So I just closed the charts, and at the end, here's what happened. I placed my trade in the morning and it didn't hit my target. We were actually in the negative. We were about minus 200, 250, which would wipe away all our previous day's profits. So I did what I do best and I just went and took a nap. And when I woke up, I saw that we were actually in the green. We were about 150 rupees in profit. So I immediately exited and we walked away with a 1.5% profit on day 2. So in total, we have about a 3.2, let's round that off. We had a 3% profit in 2 days, which is about a little more than half of what you would get in an FD over a year, and very close to what you would get in a savings bank account over the entire year. Now that is amazing. This was just 10,000 rupees. If this was about 1 lakh, this would actually be close to 3,000 rupees made in 2 days. So look at the percentage, don't look at the money. The percentage is 3%. So, with whatever corpus you have, 3% in 2 days is absolutely incredible. So what did I learn from the whole thing? A stock can either go up or down. That's about it. Thank you so. Okay, I'm kidding. On a serious note, I think the most important thing with trading is to get lucky enough number of times. Honestly, even with all this research, you'll never know if the stock is going to go up or down. Even the most experienced traders have no clue where the stock is going to move next. However, you can improve your luck by Of course, doing a lot of reading and studying the candlestick patterns and having a good risk management strategy. Let's say you do 10 trades using the same strategy, but out of the 10 you lose 6 and you win 4. It might seem like you've lost, but if you have a good risk management strategy in place, you can come out of this profitable. If your risk to reward ratio is 1:2, that means you're willing to lose, let's say, 500 rupees for every 1000 rupees you make on a trade. So basically, anytime the stock goes against you, you lose 500 and you're out. And anytime the stock goes in your favor, you cash out when you make a 1000 rupee profit. So this way, even if you lose 6 trades out of the 10, you eventually end up losing, with 10,000, you end up losing about 3,000. But if you win the remaining 4, you'll actually make about 4,000. So you can even profit the difference, which is about 1,000. Did I get lucky on both days? I'm pretty sure I did. But I did lose a trade on day 2 and I came out as soon as it hit my stop loss. If I hadn't done that, I would have gotten an even bigger loss, which could have wiped out my other profits. But thankfully, I was sort of right on the other 2 trades I did, and because of that, because of having a good risk management strategy, I came out profitable at the end of the day. That's it for today. Leave a comment below if you want me to do more videos like this, and I'll probably do one with a bigger pool of money next time. Thanks for watching. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do. It really helps this channel out. Until next time.